Alright guys, welcome back. In our previous video, we have discussed all of the user interface elements of the web page of the Midjourney. In this video, we are going to see the Discord features or the application or interface of the Midjourney server. So without a further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here you can see I'm on my Discord application and we have this Midjourney server added to our Discord automatically once we joined it. And here we can see we have all of these different options and a lot of mess. So we are going to see all these options right here from the top to the bottom and also learn about what are these different areas of announcement, support, and newcomer rooms and all of this. So let's begin. First, if we see on the top, we will get the name, which is the name of the server, which is Midjourney. Once we click on it, we will get these different options to server boost, invite people, showcase all channels, notification settings, privacy settings, edit server profile, hide muted channels, and the leave server. So these are specific options of the server that we don't want to go in depth now because we are just going to take a quick overview. Below, if you see, we have this room or the chat room of VC Create. It says this channel is not on your channel list. And if you want to add it, you can use this option to add to channel list. Once we click on it, now it is added successfully. And here we can see all of the messages from the other users that are using this bot to create all these different sort of AI images. You can see their prompt, which is for this example, it is 8-bit extreme wide angle entrancing technometrics of interconnected cables. And this is the user, which is shown by the sign of @EarthBeast. This was the user. And below we can see the fast and relax option like here. So this is the first channel in our case, which is VC Create. Next, here we have this category of information. So all of these channels or the chat room will provide you all of the latest announcement information that they are updating within their tool of the Midjourney. So in this area, all of the announcements are officially announced by the team members of the Midjourney. And if you see, they are saying, "Hi everyone, we got packed week for community events and I want to give everyone a heads up." So if you want to see any updates regarding the features and the style and interface of this tool or anything in general with the Midjourney, then you have to explore this section of the announcement. Below, if we go, we have this tab of recent changes. In this tab, you will see all of the changes that Midjourney team make to it recently. So if you want to see them, you can see the features and the changes. These are the features that are changed now and what kind of changes are applied. You can also see right here. Below you get this option, which is follow to get this channel updates in your own server. We will talk about a bit later that how we can create our new server and then follow some channels to get updates directly into our server. Then the important category here that we need to go through is the rules. These are all of the rules or the high level guidelines. If you don't follow them, you will get banned from the community and your subscription will be cancelled. It is, do not use this tool to create content or images that could inflame, upset, or cause drama, and that includes adult content also. So be respectful to the developers, moderators, and guides on the server. For more rules, see the community guidelines. Okay, so these are all of the terms of service, privacy policy, and community guidelines documentation. I recommend you that before getting starting and doing any kind of weird experiments, make sure to go through them so that you can know all of the terms and conditions properly. Then we have this tab of getting started. Here you will get some kind of thing which is welcome to getting started. How to use this thing, you can read this tutorial in order to learn more about it. Now, how we can actually get started using it. For that, we have to go in these rooms, which is newcomer rooms. These are the rooms where people are actually giving the command to the bot of the Midjourney, and this bot is giving them their art that they are asking for. All right, so here we can see that all of the peoples are generating different kind of arts and constantly they are giving the request and the bot is generating art for them. Now there are some other rooms like newcomers or the newbie 49, newbies 19, newbie 79. These number might be different in your case because this tool automatically assigned different people's different rooms once you sign up in it. Then below, if you go, you can get this option of community forms where you can explore the community. You can ask any of your favorite questions to the peoples, and other peoples will help you to get the answers to your questions, like can I make a selfie with the version 4? And below you have the answer, yes, you can make creative selfies quickly using /planned. So any kind of such information, if you want, you can explore these community forms. Below you have this thing which is paint towers in the world blending, and it is a showcase. So if you select it, you can see some stuff here. Below, if you go, you will see themed image generated. So it means that there are specific themes. Once you hover your mouse, you can see more active threads among them. And once you select any thread, you can go to the specific one and see the art. There is a lot of things going on right here. Below, you have all these different journal images section where you will get journal 1, journal 2, and a lot of people are creating many things. So basically, these are some of the important options that you will get within the Midjourney interface. In our next video, what we are going to do is we are going to create our very own server, and then we are going to add our bot to the server so that we do not see all of this mess and the content from the users. Because if we want to create the art, we can also do it in the newbie group. But once we try to do it, other peoples are also giving the request, and in a same platform it becomes a mess. You have to scroll down, up and down in order to find your art. So a simple fix for this thing is just create a new server for you, and then you can add the Midjourney bot to the server so that only you and the Midjourney can communicate and other people won't communicate or interfere within your server. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.